Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Sienna Show. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Today, as you can see, I will be doing a Bantu knot hair tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my Bantu knots. It's very easy. It doesn't require anything but some hands and some product. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. So basically all that I use for my Bantu knot twist out is some water, a comb, or you can just use your hands if you want. You don't have to be specific. A hair tie to separate your hair with. I also like to use some type of like cream to like give it some shine. So today I will be using Moi Hair Essentials Moisturizing Mango Curl Cream. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm basically just gonna start, I usually start with the back of my hair, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna start with the front. So I'm not even gonna part it. I'm just gonna go ahead and divide my hair into two bits right here. So we're finally at the last section of my hair. I've done the rest. And so I'm just gonna do this last part really quick, and yep. Okay, so I'm spraying it. Just gonna add that product. Get it all nice up in there. Yeah, it's in there. Start at the front again. Okay. And then make sure this is separated and out of the way. That over there. So I'm going to twist it all the way down like so. So I'm done with, oh gosh, hold on, let me blot, because it's hot. Oh my god, it's so hot. Okay. I don't know how I look right now. So we are finally done with our Bantu knots. And so basically, oh, I lost the earring. Let's take that off. And so basically what I'm gonna do is just keep them overnight. I'm gonna go to sleep, wake up in the morning, and unravel them for you guys and show you guys the final results. So stay tuned. Hello friends, it is now overnight, day 2. Is this day? Yeah, day 2. I also forgot to mention last night, before you go to bed, after you do your Bantu knots, put some growth oil in your hair because your scalp is just wide open. It's the perfect opportunity to put some oil in there. I'm using Moi Hair Essentials Root Strengthening and Growth Oil. I'm gonna get right into unraveling because it's hot. The unraveling part. And then just kind of unravel it so you're not completely like ruining your curl. I just kind of like unravel it, and then I just kind of undo the twist. Okay, guys, so real talk, I had to change my outfit because I'm just sweating way too hard for that one. Make sure you don't miss none. Here, go right here. Just kind of unscrew it a little bit. pull it down, start from the bottom, and then I just pull it apart. Pull that twist apart. Okay. Get all the ones at the top. The shrinkage is real. It's looking so cute. Oh my gosh. Make sure they're all gone. Ooh, I'm kind of loving it. It kind of makes me feel like I have a haircut. Ooh. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, let me not. Ooh. I'm kind of here for it. So now this is the point where I decide if I want to like fluff it out some more, which I think I will, or just kind of leave it like this. The scary part about fluffing it is that like you may create some frizz. So if you are gonna fluff it out, do it very carefully. So I'm just gonna start, just kind of, I don't know, just kind of fluff it out a little bit more, you know. Oh, I don't want too much frizz, but like, I don't want it to look so even and perfect and everything either. I could have sworn I had a pick, but I'm gonna use this. So I'm just gonna take it and just kind of get at the root a little bit. Only the root though, not the hair. And then just kind of get in there and just do that real quick. And then we just use our hands a little bit and we just go through that like like that, like that. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And then I'm just gonna play with it until I guess I get the shape that I want. A little bit more of a bang, bang, the bang. No? Okay, no. She's not wanting to go that way. This is the final look. What do you guys think? I could fluff it out some more, but I'm not going to, for the simple fact that I just don't want it to be frizzy and it's extremely hot outside, so the curls might just fall on their own. And yeah, I just like the bounciness, and it's like giving me, it's like I have a haircut right now. I kind of like it. It looks like I have a haircut. So, I'll show you. I like the shape. I'm gonna leave it like this, yeah. I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to the Sienna show today. This is pretty much my Bantu knot twist out. I like it. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Love you guys so much. Please be sure to like this video. Comment below your favorite method of like styling your natural hair. Do you like Bantu knots? Do you like perm rods? Or do you like flexi rods? I like these because it's just a really easy way to achieve a different look. So super cute.